Good morning, students. We are discussing topic correct form of verbs. In this topic, today we will discuss on past indefinite tense. In this video, I gave you an exercise that belongs to present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect and perfect continuous. So you must write in your notebook that exercise. After it, you must write about past indefinite. Past indefinite, past it means अतीत. अतीत के बारे में बातें कर रहे हैं. Past tense is easier than present tense. If our sentence is given simple, then we use only main verb in past tense. What is the main verb? Second form of the verb. Only one verb form is used in past indefinite. Second form of the verb. This verb used with all subjects. If your sentence is given negative or interrogative, if our sentence is given negative and interrogative, at that moment we use helping verb and main verb. Helping verb did. Main verb first form of the verb did with all subjects. Mind it. In present indefinite, in simple sentence, we use two kinds of main verb. First form और S और ES with first form. दो क्रियाएं यूज करते हैं. एक वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म इफ और सब्जेक्ट्स आर आई वी यू दे एंड प्लूरल नाउन, और एस और ई एस विद फर्स्ट फॉर्म इफ और सब्जेक्ट्स आर ही सीट नेम. सो देयर आर यूज्ड टू काइंड्स ऑफ मेन वर्ब, बट इन पास्ट इंडेफिनेट ओनली one kind, and that is second form is used in past indefinite. Like this negative and interrogative sentence, in present we used two helping verbs, do or does, but here only did is used. केवल did आएगी, सभी करता होगा. कब? When you find out the adverbs in the sentence. Yesterday, ago, before, last, previous, once, one day, when. Whenever you saw yesterday, ago, before, last, previous, once, one day, when, and past time. At that moment, we fill up helping verb and main verb of past indefinite. Like this. Radhika go to meet her uncle in hospital ago. What is given? Ago is given. Ago. So this adverb belongs to past. Past जो गुजर गया, अतीत. Past. Which kind of this sentence? किस प्रकार का वाक्य है? Look here. इधर देखिए. Not is given here. Not दिया हुआ है. No. So that is not negative sentence. Question mark is given here. Question mark है no. So that is not interrogative sentence. So this is simple sentence because this sentence begins with subject. So that is simple sentence. Simple sentence we use only second form. So our answer go second form went. Radhika went to meet her uncle in hospital ago. Like this. Yesterday we see a tiger on the road of Sariska forest. What is given? Yesterday is given. So this is adverb of past tense and the sentence is given simple. So our answer is second form. What is the second form of see? Second form of see, saw. Third, seen. Yesterday we saw a tiger on the road on Sariska forest. हमने सरिस्का के जंगल की सड़क पर एक बाघ, एक टाइगर देखा. When I space be 10 years old, I could speak English fluency. What is given? When. When is given here. When दिया हुआ है. When. So that sentence belongs to past indefinite. And be. Be is verb. First form of be is MR. Second form of be was verb. Third form of be will. So what's the answer? Was. When I was 10 years old, I could speak English fluently. India get freedom in 1947. What is given? Time. And that time is past tense. Past tense का 1947. भारत ने 1947 में स्वतंत्रता प्राप्त की. तो पास्ट की बात है. सेंटेंस इज गिवन सिंपल. सो सेकंड फॉर्म गॉट. India got freedom in 1947. If your sentence is given negative or interrogative, like this, you look my notebook, look for my notebook in my room in last Sunday. What is given? Last, previous. After this, time is given. Last and previous, and back last, previous, back, after this time is given. So that sentence belongs to past indefinite. Question mark is given here. So this is interrogative sentence. What is the helping verb? What is the helping verb? Did. And look for. Look for, it means search, तलाशना. क्या तुमने मेरी नोटबुक को मेरे कमरे में पिछले रविवार को खोजा, तलाशा? So that is past indefinite. Understood it easily and write in your notebook. Next, in correct form. We discuss on past continuous. Now we are discussing on past continuous. Its helping verb and main verb, was and were. Main verb, fourth form of verb or first form of the verb plus ing. Was before with I, he, she, it, name and singular noun. Were before we, you, they, plural noun. Minded, if I is given, so was plus fourth form is usual. I के साथ was आएगा, he seat name के साथ भी was आएगा, we, you, they और बहुवचन के साथ वर आएगा. कब आएगा? जब वाक्य में वाहिल, as, at that time, at that moment, in those days, whenever you saw, while, as, at that time, at that moment, in those days, we use past continuous tense. Minded, when, while and when is given in the sentence at that moment, you must understand the sense of the sentence. वाक्य में जब while और when दिया हुआ है तो उस समय उस वाक्य के भावार्थ को समझना होगा. If the work that is given in the bracket, अगर वो कार्य जो ब्रैकेट में दिया हुआ है that is a continue, अगर वो कार्य जारी है so we use past continuous. If that work has been completed, अगर वो कार्य पूर्ण हो गया है at that moment we use past perfect. जारी है continuous, पूर्ण हो गया past perfect. For example, my sister was cooking food while I walked in the garden. What is given? While is given. While is given, so we use past tense, past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect. अब वर्क देखना है. My sister was cooking food. मेरी बहन भोजन पका रही थी जबकि मैं बगीचे में घूम रहा था, तो वो भोजन पका रही थी, उस समय मैं घूम रहा था, तो ये कार्य उस समय जारी था। सो अवर आंसर आई, वी यूज हेल्पिंग वर्ब वॉज एंड मेन वर्ब फोर्थ फॉर्म वॉज वॉकिंग, आई वॉज वॉकिंग, लाइक दिस। दे water in plants at that time. What is given at that time? At that time, this adverb belongs to past continuous. Here, at that time. So we use past continuous. What is the subject? They. They is given here. So we use helping verb, work, and fourth form. Fourth form means first form plus ing, water plus ing, water. They were watering in plants at that time. When my friend come at my home, I study in my home. What is given? When. When is given? जब मेरा मित्र मेरे घर पर आया, that is past tense, and past indefinite tense. Sentence is given simple, so we use second form came. जब मेरा मित्र मेरे पास आया, मैं मेरे कमरे में स्टडी अध्ययन कर रहा था, तो आई वॉज स्टडी। लाइक दिस, जैसे when a passenger knock the door, I what is given? When. When adverb belongs to past indefinite. When a passenger knock the door, जब एक यात्री ने दरवाजे को खटखटाया, खटखटाया आ की ध्वनि आ रही है पास्ट इंडेफिनेट, सो सेकंड फॉर्म नॉक। तो जब किसी यात्री ने दरवाजा खटखटाया, मैं रसोई घर में था, आई वॉज। व्हेन ए पैसेंजर नॉक्ड द डोर, आई वॉज इन द किचन। लाइक दिस। लास्ट एग्जाम्पल, my friends swim in the pond at that moment. At that moment is given, so that is past continuous tense, and Our answer is, my friends. This is plural, so we use work, and fourth form SWIMMI. Swim. That's all.